Hello friends, welcome to 2 minutes concept class of physics. In this video lecture we will study motion and its types. The first question that comes to our mind is what is motion? Motion होता क्या है? The answer to this question is change in the position of an object with time is called as motion. It is the free movement of any body with respect to time. अगर किसी बॉडी पार्टिकल या ऑब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन टाइम के साथ चेंज होती है देन वी कैन से दैट द ऑब्जेक्ट इज इन मोशन. लेट अस सी few examples of motion. The rotating fan, the spinning top, the motion of a person riding a bicycle on a straight or curved path, the motion of a giant wheel, the motion of a wheel on a straight path, the motion of the particles connected with a spring performing vibrational motion, the spinning earth, and many more examples from our day-to-day life includes water flowing from a tap, birds flying in the sky, ball thrown in the air, pendulum of the clock, the moving car, and many more. The question that arises is, are all these motions the same? क्या ये सारे motions same होते हैं? The answer is no. There are various types of motions that are happening around us, and these motions are distinguished on the basis of time, speed, distance, and path. So, the different types of motion are translational motion, circular motion, rotational motion, oscillatory motion, periodic motion, reciprocating motion, linear motion, uniform motion, non-uniform motion, and projectile motion. We will discuss all these motions with examples in our next video lecture. Till then, goodbye friends.